નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn Standard 9 Subject Social Science Chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is the Wildlife. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? The name of the chapter is the Wildlife. Wildlife, it means Vanya Jeevana. First of all, dear children, we have to learn about the introductory part of the wildlife. India has diversified relief and the climate. Whatever that, dear children, here the India has diversified their relief and the climate. India has diversified their relief and the climate. Similarly, the diversity is seen here in the wildlife. Whatever that, dear children, here we can see the diversity is seen here into the wildlife. In the entire world, if you to see the information of the entire world, about 15 lakh species of the wildlife are recorded, out of which 81,251 species are found in India. Whatever the children, we remember that in the entire world about 15 lakh species of the wildlife are to be recorded, and out of them 81,251 species are to be found into the India. Same way, also we can say that it includes the 1,230 varieties of the bird. Whatever the, dear children, it also includes 1,230 varieties of the bird, 496 types of the reptile is there, 210 types of the amphibians is there, 398 types of the mammals, and 2,546 types of the fishes, and 60,000 types of the insects we are found. Now these include, now whatever the, dear children, these include reptiles, mammals, fish and the other insects. And already I am given this data with a number sum. Exploration continues to identify the other animal found into the different forest. India is the 6th position among the country rich in the biodiversity. Whatever the, dear children, here you have to remember that India has a which position? India has a 6th position among the country for the rich in the biodiversity. India has a less forest cover compared to that its wildlife diversity is noticeable. The next one, dear children, they have to given about the geographical region of the India. Which one, dear children? Geographical region of the India. એટલે ભારતના પ્રાણી ભૌગોલિક પ્રદેશો. Natural vegetation region have been devised on the basis of their characteristic. Whatever the, dear children, we can say that whatever the natural vegetation region is there, this natural vegetation region has to be the devised on the basis of their characteristics. Similarly, a special distribution can be made for the animals. The wildlife of the India, now whatever the, dear children, the wildlife of the India is divided into the 9 zones. How many zones the Indian wildlife is divided, dear children? Then Indian wildlife is divided into 9 zones according to the similarities. Whatever the, dear children, according to the similarity in their characteristic and their existence in any region, these are as follow. First one is a Himalayas, it means Himalaya Pradesh. Second one, Ladakh and dry cold area. Which second one, dear children? Ladakh and dry cold area. It means Ladakh and Shit Kshetra. Third one, forest cover in lower Himalaya. Third one, dear children, forest cover in lower Himalaya. It means Himalaya વનાચ્છાદિત નીચલું ક્ષેત્ર. Fourth one, highlands without forest cover in the upper Himalaya. Himalaya વનસ્પતિ વિહીન ઊંચા ક્ષેત્રો. Fifth one, northern plain, it means ઉત્તરનું મેદાન. Sixth one, desert of the Rajasthan નો રણ પ્રદેશ. Seventh one, peninsular plateau, it means દ્વીપકલ્પીય ઉચ્ચ પ્રદેશ. Eighth one, sea coastal, સમુદ્ર કિનારો. And ninth one, Nilgiris hill, એટલે નીલગિરીની પહાડીઓ. It means what happened that dear children, here they have to divide the wildlife of India into the 9 zones according to the similarity, their characteristic as well as their existence in any region. So the biodiversity study according to the geographical region. Now next one dear children, they have to given about the diversified wildlife of India. What they have to given the dear children, they have to given the diversified wildlife of India. It is ભારતની વૈવિધ્યસભર વન્ય જીવ સૃષ્ટિ. The vast alluvial plain of a river. What happened that dear children, here the vast alluvial plain of river, peninsular plateau, mountain region, swampy area, sea coast, dense rainforest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest in the Himalaya and other higher region from a vast background from the habitation of the wildlife in the India. What happened that dear children, they have already given that the vast alluvial plains. What happened that dear children, the vast alluvial plains of river, peninsular plateau, mountain region, sea coast, then rainforest, deciduous forest, all these things, deciduous forest, all these things we have already learned into the chapter number 17 in the natural vegetation. In natural vegetation, in types of natural vegetation, we have already learned about the deciduous forest, desert vegetation, forest and the grassland, mangrove forest. All these things we have to learn into the detail in chapter number 17. So just you have to see one time previous video of the chapter number 17. So deciduous forest etc. and other higher region from the vast background for the habitation of the wildlife into the India. The animals seen are the Asian elephant. What happened to the children? The animals seen are Asian elephant in peninsular rainforest, one horned rhino in swampy Brahmaputra river, snow leopard in the higher Himalayas, wild goat and musk deer is found in the Jammu Kashmir, wild buffalo, it means Indian bison, tiger in the central India and the West Bengal, same way wild ass in the little run of the Kutch, flamingo in Waterloo greater run, and the presence of the great Indian bustard in the grassland area is noted again. In the waterlogged area, migratory birds from cold region come down in the great numbers. These include the Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, conch, karkara, etc. Flying squirrel are seen in the dense forest of the Western Ghat. Nicobari duck is a rare bird seen in the Nicobar Islands. Rare species of the corlas are seen in the Gulf of the Kutch and the Lakshmi Island. Along with the mammals and the many types of the birds are noticed should be taken of king cobra, snakes, python. Also along the sea coast and other water bodies, various species, sea snakes, dolphin, shark, sea cow, octopus, whale, etc. form a part of the animal world. Besides its forest animal like fox, wolf, nilgai, deer, mongoose, rabbit, wild dog are seen in the agriculture area. Many birds such as nightingale, parrot, peacock, weaver bird, zebra, pigeon, vulture, carbird, etc. are also seen roaming in this area. So dear children, what happened that here they have to given about the diversified wildlife of India into the different places. So what happened then, dear children? We can say that here they have given the information of the various birds. I am repeating. What happened then? We can say that birds like flamingo, Nicobari dove are seen into the India. Same way, if you have to see into the Western Ghats, then you have to see that flying squirrel are also the fine. If you have to see during the winter season, you know very well that migratory birds like Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan dove, coot, karkara, etc. came from the watershed area, India, from the cold places. Rare species of coral are seen in the Gulf of the Kutch and the Lakshadweep. There are the reptiles. Already this we have to learn that the reptiles like king cobra, snake, python, etc. we have to found into the India. Along the sea coast, if you have to see about the sea coast and other water bodies in marine animal, and already here children, you all are going into the marine camp in standard 8. So already you have to see in the marine animal like various fish, sea snake, dolphin, sea cow, octopus, whale are to be the found along the sea coast into the India. Over the agriculture land, if you have to see, then we have to find out the various animals like jackal, wolf, nilgai, deer, rabbits, wild dog, and if you have to see the birds, then birds, parrot, peacock, shubri, owl, chibri, pealer, hawk, kaba, etc. are seen moving around. So dear children, what happened there? They have given about the information of the wildlife of the India, of the different areas in the different state. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.